Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make Doori. Doori is a product made out of newspaper used for social distancing. It's a DIY! To make this product, we need 8 main objects. And the 8 objects are some newspapers, scale, something to make a hole with, pencil, scissors, a string, a rope, rubber band or sellotape. So the first step is to take the newspaper and from the horizontal push start rolling it tightly. Once you're done with your rolling, you have to apply sellotape to keep it stable. So in all, you will have 4 tight rolls. Mark one of the rolls in half and after that, cut it from where you have measured it. Fix the rolls just like it is shown here. Make a hole here and then even here and tie a rope so that when you pull this, it doesn't get out. It's time to roll. Take the newspaper and start rolling. Roll is ready. And now you can see this is coming out. Even this. You have to stick the rope with sellotape on this. It's ready to wear. See, this is long, this is long. And we need to keep social distancing to prevent the spread of the virus. It's time to save our lives, our country and the world. So make Doori and follow social distancing.